everyone, welcome back to the wood shop. Today we're giving ourselves a scrap wood challenge.
Yep, and we've got about 20 inches of a 7/8 inch dowel and about the same amount of a 2x3. It's already been edge jointed and everything. These come from another project we done, and we're going to see what we can make out of this.
Stick around and find out. We rose to the scrap wood challenge and our mystery project is complete. This is a prime example of why you shouldn't discard scrap wood. All of this came from a different project we did a little while back, and we put it to pretty good use. We know that you all are some pretty sharp cookies out there. What do you think it is?
Well, we started out with about 20 inches of a 2x3, about the same amount of a 7/8 inch dowel. We cut these feet to 7 inches. The center section here is about 4 inches. And we used some of this dowel to do the joints, and the rest of it you see here on top.
Are you ready to find out what it is? Let's show them. That's right. It's a paper towel holder. Functional, practical, beautiful. an excellent use of scrap wood.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a big old thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to stay up to date on all of our content.
Thanks again for joining us today. Happy woodworking!